In this episode, we explore the military remnants of Saddam's invasion in Kuwait. Hi, I'm Bob, an urban explorer, and with friends I explore the most amazing abandoned places worldwide. After a long journey, we arrive in Kuwait, a small but wealthy Middle Eastern country on the Persian Gulf, known for its vast oil reserves, modern skyscrapers, and the 1990 Iraqi invasion that led to the Gulf War and its liberation by a US-led coalition.
Getting ready to go to the island.
A place where you can still see some war relics and ruined buildings as an eerie reminder of its past is Failaka Island, located 20 kilometers off the coast of Kuwait City. With a history dating back to 3000 BC, the island was home to around 2,000 residents before the Gulf War. However, in 1990, its inhabitants either fled or were deported when Iraqi forces took control. In February 1991, as the US-led coalition advanced, the Iraqi troops stationed here surrendered without a single shot being fired. Since then, the island has remained largely uninhabited and is used for military training.
So the first step will be to rent a bicycle and get around the island ourselves. The bicycles have a ridiculous price. Over $15 for 1 hour per bicycle.
And look what you get.
Yeah, rusty old bicycles.
Our first destination is a military graveyard, 4 kilometers from our landing point, where abandoned tanks and other war machines rust away, left behind by the retreating Iraqi army. With only 60 minutes to explore, we cycle as fast as possible to make the most of our time.
Wow. Yeah, some nice artillery here.
Reminds me of the thing in Kyrgyzstan, Bob. I made a cool picture. Yeah, true. We are cool. You can get inside too, Bob.
Yeah, you can. A nice pickup here. Crazy.
Nice one for a selfie, right?
Yeah, I think that one in the corner is the nicest one.
Yeah. This one's cool too. Yeah, it's nice.
Thanks from Saddam Hussein.
Yeah.
Crazy.
Totally burned out. It's hit with gunfire, you see? You see some metal damage.
You see only slight damage.
One is also nice.
Yeah, very nice. With a machine gun on top there.
Here's a machine gun too. Totally rusted.
Okay guys, have to go back. The hour is...
Yeah. That's literally the time you get, huh?
Yeah, crazy. Oh yeah, there's a little bit to see, yeah.
It's okay. It's not burned out. You look like a sink for the wash your hands or something. Anti-aircraft gun.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, 1, 2, 3, 4.
Nice. This Mercedes tank wagon.
That's an old Mercedes.
Really nice the setting.
Yeah, it's cool.
Is there some guard post there? Yeah.
Looks like it, yeah.
What is this?
I don't know, it looks like some mobile cabin, you see?
Old logo.
Yeah, something from the army probably.
Yeah.
It looks like an American truck.
Yeah, just have to say, yeah.
Yeah, it's American, I guess.
Communication?
Looks like it.
Oh, they have some different stuff inside.
That's a generator probably.
Yeah. Oh, look at this. Riddled with bullets, you see? Holy shit, eh?
I think it's the mobile generator.
Yeah, it is. But this is... Oh, here, Chinese stuff.
Chinese?
Chinese engine here.
Oh yeah.
This is communication stuff.
Some impacts here. They're massive, right?
My god.
Oh my god.
Yeah. Jesus, eh?
Here in the cabin as well. Holy shit, really rusted. Out the door.
Yeah, it's 35 years ago.
In another episode, we explore a French military base, which houses similar Soviet military vehicles, which are in a better condition.
Nice, right?
Yeah, it's really cool. Oh, the engine here.
But it's light of steel, you can feel it.
We have to go back because of the bike rental. We have to cycle like crazy to be there on time now. Woohoo!
Damn!
We return the bicycles, as rental prices on the island are absurd. $75 per hour for a car and over $15 per hour for a bicycle. Instead, we continue on foot at a slower pace, giving us more time to document the abandoned buildings. In the next episode, we'll explore the most interesting ruins on the island. Thanks for watching, please leave a comment and thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more epic adventures.